you crawl for me? Come here. Come here.
Was anybody looking for me here this morning? Perhaps a state official, maybe a blue hat, gun, nightstick?
Come here. Come on. Come here to Mom. I'll meet you halfway.
Will you hold my room for me, please? I'm going to stand.
Uh-oh, Daddy took your table away. You can still crawl to Grandma's shoes. Get you up there. Get you up there. There you go. Well, he's crawling towards things. Oh, look at you crawling. I'm so excited.
No, it's almost like if he was in the water. What's that crawl that they do in the water with their oak? You know?
A dog paddle?
It's crawling.
Dog paddle.
Keep going, buddy. Keep doing it. You are. You are a crawling man. It's not quite that coordinated, but you're a crawling man. There you go. Come on.
It's inspiring in a way.
My years are not advancing as fast as you might think.
My ears are not.
Yeah, just keep it coming, please.
Sure thing.
Uh-oh.
Don't you worry about cholesterol, lung cancer, love handles?
Thank you. Come this way.
What makes you so special? Everybody worries about something.
Yeah, let's go. Look at you. You're moving. Look at you. I'm so proud. Yeah, look at him, honey. Look at him go. A little bit further. I know. You're like, Mom, you're ruining the whole carrot game.
Centered all in self.
Up and down.
Living shall forfeit fair renown, and doubly done shall go down.
Stand on his feet. It wouldn't be so bad.
Whence he sprung, unwept, unhonored, and unsung.
Get up, lay down. Get up, lay down. Get up, lay down.